Once upon a time, there was a wee lass. She was on her way to a rock and roll festival when she came to the shore of a lake called Loch Ness. Oh, look, a bridge. The wee lass heard a terrible sound. Uh-oh, look.
Who goes there? I'm the Rock Mess Lobster. Nah, you may not pass, lass. Only those who totally rock me cross my bridge. Is that so? Excuse me, I'm sorry. I mean, you play nicely and all, but you don't totally rock. Now go away before I decide to eat you.
Oh, yeah. And so, the wee lass ran away. But back to the Rock Mess Lobster to try again. So they went away again. Went back to try again.
You don't give up, do ya? I think you look delicious.
Ready to rock, girls? Totally! Clap with me to help us totally rock. Ready?
You lassies totally rock! You may cross my bridge. Goodbye, lassies. It was nice rocking with you. You mean it?
Of course. You totally rock. And so, they all went to the rock and roll festival together. And they rocked